Today is 11th July 2020. We are celebrating World Population Day. What the day is all about and how it came into being. The decision to celebrate World Population Day was made in 1989 when world population was reached to 5 billion. This decision was made by United Nations Development Program to create awareness about population, effects of population on the environment and development, gender inequality and human rights. World Population Day is observed on every 11th of July. Almost half of the world lives in rural regions and mostly in a state of poverty. Such inequalities in human development have been one of the primary reasons for unrest and in some parts of the world even violence. As per reports, there were an estimated 7.8 billion people living on Earth as of March 2020. Such a huge population, problems are bound to arise because of it. This day is to highlight the problems of overpopulation. This year, World Population Day is celebrating on the theme based on safeguarding the health and rights of women and girls around the world. So, let's we all together draw attention of people to work together on the issues of growing population. Let's we all create awareness among our society that if the family is small, there is peace and we are able to share whatever little we have.